My name is Calvin Ma, and this is Siavash Miri. We're both from Simon Fraser University. I'm going to be speaking about the Public Knowledge Project, which I don't really know a lot about. But what we wanted to do is we wanted to do a really quick install of the software. So I'll just give you a little bit of background while they're sorting this out. The PKP project is a partnership between University of British Columbia, Stanford, University of Simon Fraser University Library, the Simon Fraser University Center for Studies in Publishing. So what we have three components. We have the Open Journal System, Open Conference System, and a soon-to-be-released Open Monograph Press. So the part we're going to be installing is the Open Journal System. I'm told that there's 1,100 journals now over 6 continents now using OJS. I'm told that the journal First Monday has just moved over to OJS. There's 13 languages we support in OJS, plus there's 15 more in development. There's a very active support forum. There's a plugin architecture. The base code remains quite stable while you can sort of add in your own sort of plugins. And I guess Siavash now will attempt a really quick install with the 3.5 minutes we have left.
Okay, I'm actually going to do a quick and dirty install here, but which should only take about 1.5 minutes. But the very long and correct installation would probably take about 3 minutes.
So I think the only thing we did was we had downloaded the software to a server back at home.
Yeah, so OJS 2.2, and I've just unpacked it here. And this is basically all it is. The only installation steps is to change some permissions.
Now we make a couple assumptions here. We're running a Red Hat Enterprise Linux 4 with Apache and Apache with the PHP already in there and MySQL.
Okay, and the only thing we actually need to add is to create a files directory, which usually it shouldn't be in the web folder, but in this case we're just going to put it in here. It's called files, and
you have 2 minutes left.
Oh, so I can take my time. So this is it, basically, the steps that you need to do on the server. And then you go to the web page. There's just one web page installation. Which is this. And the only thing you basically need to do, all the defaults are fine. The files directory, which is the default, but if you put it in some other folder, you need to make that change. And just create an admin account. And this is all the databases that it actually supports, like MySQL, Postgres, and all the other ones if you have the drivers set up. And here, for the dirty version, I'm just going to use the MySQL root account. But the correct installation is basically you just create your own user and database, and that's the only difference. And there's no password for the root account, by the way. And that's it. We're done.
All right.
Yeah. Still got time. We're done.
So if the website where we have this hosted is pkp.sfu.ca, so if you want to look it up now, you're free to do so.